Hello, hi. It's been a while, hasn't it? Yeah, It's it's been like nearly 6 months since my see you soon video. I'll be back. I'm not back yet, but I thought, seeing as it's like the end of 2021, I'd do a kind of a state of the channel update and just let you know what's going on. Really. I can't believe it's the end of 2021 for one thing. The year has absolutely disappeared. Like 6 months has been like a lot longer than I anticipated being away from the channel. I thought I'd give it like a few months, but life, to paraphrase Jeff Goldblum in Jurassic Park, life gets in the way. I know it was like life finds a way, but I'm just trying to be clever. Doesn't work. I thought I should give a bit of an update on what's going on, because I didn't anticipate taking like 6 months off the channel, and I'm still not back yet, but I felt like I owed like all the people who do check in regularly, I thought I owed you all a bit of a explanation as to what's going on. I say all of you, it's probably all two of you that stick around maybe. Life has been pretty hectic the last 6 months or so. I mean, besides everything that's going on in the world, COVID's still going on. I'm not feeling great at myself at the moment. I saw Stiv, who you know from previous videos. I saw him over Christmas and he's got COVID, and now I'm not feeling great. So it could be COVID or it could just be a cold. I don't know. Either way, I'm feeling a bit ropey, but other than that, trying to avoid people, which I'm pretty good at doing anyway. That's pretty much my whole year. Besides everything else that's going on, I left my job at Rocket Mill back in September. I love working at Rocket Mill. It's such a good place to work. Best place I've ever worked, and probably the best place I ever will work, but I needed a bit of a change. So I've gone freelance. In case you don't know, I'm a web designer / developer in like my day to day. That's Roko. Hi Roko. Do you want a cart? No. She just came to say hello and make a noise. But yes, I kind of got to the point where I needed a change. So I made the decision to leave Rocket Mill and go freelance. So I'm now working freelance for myself, taking contract work, taking work from people who need it, who need websites and stuff like that. Okay. Just like putting her paws up on the chair, and then when I go to pick her up, she runs off because she's a cat. That's what she does. So I'm focusing on trying to get as much work as I possibly can to try and improve my finances, which it has been helping. So it's keeping me very, very busy, which is good. Hello, you want to make yourself seen? You coming? So that's keeping me super busy, which is good. So I'm just trying to strike that work-life balance, and that's going well at the moment, and hopefully it will stay like that. One of my things on my list is to update the branding of this channel. I want to redo the website, redo the branding and all of that, but I've just got to find time amongst everything else I've got on at the moment. So I'm trying to do all of that, get that done and out of the way, and then hopefully in the new year, which is basically tomorrow, I can start finding some time to hopefully start looking at all the branding and stuff for this channel. Before I even come back, I want to sort all that out. And honestly, I'm also currently looking at maybe moving, because as much as I like where I live, I love this flat, and I love living in Hove, which is near Brighton in the UK, in case you don't know. It's not the cheapest of places to live, so I'd like to go find somewhere a bit more affordable, just because it is expensive down here, and I can't justify the cost anymore. So my lease is up in March, so again I'd probably look to move before I even think about starting the channel up again, because moving's a nightmare, and I've got to do all the fuss of trying to find somewhere to live and then doing all the moving and stuff like that, and making sure I find somewhere that can take this little madam, right? And because not all rented properties take pets, which sucks, and I think is stupid. So I've got that to think about, and I've just been trying to work on my mental health and physical health and stuff like that, and it's just been a lot, so I haven't really had the headspace to try and produce like food videos and stuff like that, because they take a lot of time and effort, not just in the recording but the editing as well. I've tried to do other like little passion projects here and there. I tried doing a bit of Twitch streaming, which was fun, but again, it's trying to find the time, and because there's such a massive, like, really good streamers out there now, I don't think anyone wants to watch a 40-year-old do streaming. So I was probably not that on the head, at least until I find a bit more time to do a bit more of a concerted schedule and stuff like that. So I'll just keep my gaming for funsies for now, but I'll let you know if that ever starts up again. But I am doing another channel at the moment, which is just a small thing, completely unrelated to this. It's just, if you're like me and a bit of an anxious bean, then maybe you can't like sleep or concentrate without some sort of background noise going on. I've started up a channel called Just Breathe, which is just going to be like chilled out, like long, high quality videos of like things like nature scenes and fireplaces crackling and peaceful stuff like that, and just like ambient noise that people can just put stuff on in the background, because that's the sort of stuff I generally have on when I'm working or trying to sleep and stuff like that, or just trying to find a moment of calm, because I think we all need a moment of calm at the moment in this hectic times. So I literally just started that in the past week, and I can find that quite manageable, because it doesn't take too long to do a video, even though they range from like 2 hours to 8 hours. It's kind of like a loop of video and audio, and I've just started putting them all together, and it's quite chilled out, and I like it. And there's plenty of other places on YouTube that do that as well, but I'm just doing stuff that I like and I would listen to, and hopefully other people will find useful as well. And the other thing is, I'm trying to do videos that are kind of like mostly like sensory friendly, because a lot of the videos I find, especially like the fireplace ones, they tend to have quite loud cracks and pops, and and if you suffer from something like autism or anything where you've got like a bit of a audio sensory sensitivity, then they can be a little bit overwhelming. So I'm trying to do stuff that is generally like a bit more chill, but if I do any videos that are a little bit more louder and have some sudden cracks and pops and loud noises like that, I'll always put a warning on the video. But it's early days anyway. I'm literally just finished rendering like only my third video, so it's very early days for that channel, and it's completely unrelated to this, and it just doesn't take up as much time. But it was just something I wanted to do, just more to keep my video editing skills intact until I can start up this channel again, which I really want to do. Like I say, I want to redo the website, I want to redo the branding. Hopefully I'll have like a new home and kitchen to film in, hopefully a bit more space. But we'll see. I'm taking it a day at a time, but I have plans, and things are hopefully going to be a lot easier to manage, and hopefully, because I'm freelancing, I'll have more time to spend on the channel, because then I'm dictating my own time. And I can do things. I don't have to go, all right, I need to do these videos on a weekend, because that's all I've got. Now that I'm my own boss, basically, I can just go, actually, I want to spend Monday doing a video. That's what I can do. Little notification there. I'm on my laptop recording this. I've got my camera above my monitor. My laptop's there, as you can see. But it's going to be, hopefully I can manage my own time better, and I can find more time to be able to do this, because I really want to get back to this. And I want to try and find like a specific, I want to really plan the videos, because it's always been a bit of a hodgepodge of things, this, that and the other, but I'd like to do like specific things, like cooking videos, just basic cooking videos and basic baking videos of I say basic, but nothing wild and crazy. But also I'd like to continue doing like the food tastings and stuff with Stiv, and also, you know, I'd like to continue doing like the creating giant foods as well, but just really, you know, make sure I've got actual, you know, series that people can go, oh yeah, that's the one I want to watch, or stuff like that, because it's always been a bit of this, that and the other, and if I can find a schedule and stuff like that for it, all the better, because I want to come back and actually make the channel better, not just kind of pick up where I left off. You know, I was doing the channel for 2 years and I barely scraped 1,000 subscribers, so, and you know, because it's such a dense, you know, category on YouTube, there's so many good food YouTubers on there, you really need to kind of build up an audience. And yeah, as much as I hate to say it, you know, the amount of time and effort and money I was putting into the channel for, you know, like having so low subscribers, you know, I wish could say I was in a place where money didn't matter, but it did, and I couldn't justify it at the time. But I'm hoping in the new year, if the freelancing really continues to, you know, be as busy as it is, then hopefully, you know, I'll have more time and money to be able to put into the channel, because, you know, I did enjoy it, but it's just getting to the point where it's more stress and worry than it was worth, you know. So hopefully that'll change in the new year. Yeah, anyway, I've waffled on for probably over 10 minutes, maybe a little bit less if I edit this, so I might just chuck it up as it is. I don't know, I'm literally just filming this on my laptop, yeah, through my webcam, and yeah, I didn't really want to get out all my recording equipment for this because I'm tired and don't feel well, and it's been a long year but a short year, because I can't believe it's going to be 2022, but we'll see what that brings. But you know, hopefully this will kind of like let you know what's going on, and rest assured, you know, unless something horrible happens, fingers crossed doesn't, I will be back at some point. And you know, and if you have anything you'd like to see when I'm back, let me know. Just drop something in the comments, and we'll see what 2022 brings when I'm hopefully got a bit more time. So yeah, I'm going to stop rambling. I hope you're all well. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. I hope you've had a good as 2021 as possible, and I hope, you know, 2022 turns out to be less crap than the last 2 years. And yeah, take care of yourselves, and hopefully I will see you very, very soon. Take care. Bye.